Yo, what's up everyone? Today we're gonna see how to record your voice on Discord from Android. Before we start this video, make sure you subscribe. Here we go. If you want to record your voice on Discord server, you need to own a server or you should be a moderator in that server. It's a main point. Make sure you have a server. Then go to your mobile Chrome browser, search Chrome bot Discord like this. So you're gonna get that bot. Invite that guy to your server. So now we have to invite a boy to our server. So click on invite and wait for a sec. Okay, now here you have to select the server where you need Craig to record your voice. So I want on voice, so choose that server and click authorize and wait. And yeah, I'm a human, of course. Click on it. Make sure you are a human. Of course we all are humans. It's a joke. That's it, the process done here. So now Craig is joined in our server. Yeah, we could see that. So swipe right and see that Craig is joined. So if you want to record your voice now, you should join in a voice channel. So living room, that's where we always talking. This is our fun server. Okay, after joining here, you need to send a command to our guy Craig to join our server. So this is how you should type. I'm gonna leave those commands in my description. You can see that, take screenshot. It's very difficult, yeah, of course, sometimes. So if you type like this, the guy is gonna join in your voice channel. So now it's recording. That's it. If this guy want to leave your channel, you should type the same command and leave. So that's it. He's gonna send a link to you. So you could see download link. After you conversation done, you should type the command and leave, and this guy send you link. Click that link which leads you to a Chrome browser or something. That's where you can download your beautiful conversation and you can upload wherever you want. That's it. I hope this video is useful for you. If it is useful, make sure you subscribe and let me know what kind of videos you want in future. Bye.